sa kanila. At nabanggit ka natin, ang Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants are leading at 4 wins and no loss. Red Bull close behind the 3-1.
Pero kita natin ang Barangay Ginebra way down there. Pure Foods, yun yung sinasabi natin after I think Talk and Text and Magnolia during the preseason. Everyone had a lot of respect for Pure Foods. You look at Talk and Text and Magnolia, they have 2 losses each. And Barangay Ginebra, because they don't have the weapons na kadalasan meron sila, ayun, nasa ilalim. And something that we have not been used to with Barangay Ginebra in the last couple of years.
But you can expect na meron mga adjustments na gagawin itong coaching staff ni Jong with Chico to try and remedy that. No use yung ika nga magmumukmuka dahil kulang ang yung lineup. You've got to do something about it. Just like J.J. Helterbrand did. First 2 points of the game para kay J.J. Helterbrand and he cuts the lead down to 4.
Pero dito kay J.J. Helterbrand, wala na siguro mahihiling pa ito si Coach Jong. He's scoring for his team. He leads the league in assists and he averages more than 5 rebounds a game.
On the outside, Kirby Raimundo, mapset. Narito ngayon si J.J. Helterbrand. Sinalubong ni James Yap. Binigay kay Ronald Tubit. Tubit goes up. And that goes in.
After that timeout, 2 quick baskets para sa Barangay Ginebra. Before that time, they were only shooting about 11% from the field. And there is no way Barangay Ginebra can beat Pure Foods if they don't shoot the ball well.
No way a team can beat any team with 11% shooting.
Oo, dahil rin itong Pure Foods, they're the number one rebounding team. If you don't shoot well, they're not gonna give you any chances at the rebound.
Yeah. Mahirapan ka magkaroon ng second chances, ano ha? As a recovery by Peter June Simon. Got it over to Odupo, back to Simon. Simon is inside, he is in the paint. At may foul na tatawagin as Simon tripped over someone there. Siya nga pala, mga referees natin sa larong ito, sina Mar Montiel, Robert Ting, and Noy Guevara. 5 minutes and 14 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Lamang ang Pure Foods ng 2 over Barangay Ginebra. We have this timeout.
Ang isang masama lang talaga nilaro was against Welco. Sabi niya, but every other game, magandang pinapakita nila. Nahihirapan nga sila, nawala itong si Eric Mek at itong si Mark Caguiwa. But sabi niya, they will be back soon. So si Eric maybe next week. Ito namang si Mark Caguiwa is coming back from the States November 12. So yun nga, sabi nga, things look brighter. Pero tuwa-tuwa siya dito sa kanyang team ngayon dahil they played their hearts out, especially itong si Ronald Tubit, itong si Mac Macapagal, and of course, J.J. Helterbrand. Ed?
Well, sabi mo nga, Coach Jong with Chico, hindi naman nagpapanik. At sabi niya, maayos naman ang laro nila except yung tambakan-aling laro against Welco. And they promise to be back, hopefully, para sa mga Barangay Ginebra fans tonight. Ito, Ronald Tubig with a steal off James Yap. At tinabla bigla ang ating laro at 12 all. Kanina 12-6 yan. So 6-0 run by Barangay Ginebra of their first timeout a few minutes back.
And all of those 6 points nanggalingan mula sa layup at PJ Simon. Ang init mula sa bench.
That's right. Tiempres yan. Natin sa inyo ni Peter June Simon na siya rin nagbigay ng 6-point lead para sa Pure Foods when he came off the bench. Tubid. Tuyog.
We talk about energy guys coming off the bench. Ito si Ronald Tubit. He's the guy para sa Barangay Ginebra. On the other side, Peter June Simon off that bench. 7 straight points in just less than 3 minutes of action. So kung titingnan mo yung matchup na yun, lumamang pa. Ito si Peter June Simon. Talaga.
Dahil sa kasalukuyan, mga kaibigan, ito si Peter June Simon coming off the bench and scored 6 points to his name. At ito, magandang bantayan ito, Tubid. At saka, J.R. Aquino got the pass from Ronald Tubid, who was being watched by Peter June Simon. Ito naman si Chico Lanete, dala-dala ang bola. Habang kay Maggie Escalona. So, dalawang rookie. Simon gets open again. Oh, soft touch by Peter June Simon. And he's got 9 points. Escalona. Tubid to Lau. Here's Tubid again. Sumabit.
Early in this game, Ginebra doing an excellent job of taking away what Pure Foods has been dominant with dito sa ating konferensyang ito. Pure Foods is the #1 rebounding team up to this point. Itong Ginebra doing a great job of boxing out, hindi pa binibigyan ni isang offensive rebound itong Pure Foods TJ Giants.
30 pesos lang, may bagong diskarte ka na. 1 of 2 by Ronald Tubit, and the score is 17-50. Pure Foods by 2. Nahalata natin, itong lineup ng Barangay Ginebra, wala nang natirang sa starting unit. Bago lahat ng players on the court for Barangay Ginebra. Oh, hey! Ano ba nakain ito? PJ Simon, mga kaibigan, now with 12 points. Another TM3 natin sa inyo ni Peter June Simon. Nakakadalawa na yan dyan. At 12 na ang ginagawa ni Simon.
And you know, that's tough because you look at the lineup of Barangay Ginebra, this is a defensive lineup, but they can't seem to stop just one guy. Ito si Peter June Simon.
Baka naman yung apat na pinagtutuunan nila ng pansin, yung isang yan, ang siya pong naglalagablab para sa Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants. Here's Ronald Tubid against Simon. Well covered by Simon. Dilabas kay Mackie Escalona. J.R. Aquino from the outside. Too much juice behind that shot. And the ball goes out of bounds in favor of Pure Foods. Nasa ngayon ay lumalabang ng 5 puntos laban sa Barangay Ginebra at 20-15. Mark Tingris is also in the game now for the Tender Juicy Giants. Last touch on Mackie Escalona. Pabalik naman si Sunday Salvacion para kay J.R. Aquino sa panig ng Barangay Ginebra. 2 minutes and 53 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
Mackie Escalona, excellent job.
Yeah.
Na ginagawa niya dito kay Chico Lanete.
Gayon din kay Peter June Simon na nakatanggap ng pasa, nabitawan doon sa sideline. And so, nagbunga yung pangungulit ni Mackie Escalona on the Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants. Mike Holper has it against Mark Tingris. Holper turns around. Jumper's no good. And Tingris with the rebound. Lanete. Sinalubog na naman ni Escalona. Tumira na lang si Lanete. Sabi niya, ayan ka na naman. John de Salvador has the loose ball. Misses on the jumper. And Holper nudges his own teammate, Ronald Tubid. Here's Holper going strong to the hole. Alam mo, force na habit ni Ronald Tubid, nakaramdam siya ng konting tunggol, nagpatihulog siya, kakampi pala niya.
Oo, swerte na lang siya, hindi tinawagan yung kakampi niya.
Hindi ba, sisisi pa siya.
But Mike Holper on the free throw line, very aggressive sa ating first quarter.
Yes.
Trying to create his own shots and right now being rewarded for it. At nagkaroon siya ng 2 free throw.
At yan po ang bahagi lamang ng napakaraming mga suki natin na narito po ngayon sa Boneta Astrodome to witness this classic encounter between Barangay Ginebra and the Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants. This goes back a long way. Makasaysayan po itong match. Ayan na naman sa Peter Simon. Nagmintis na ba yan? Isa, may mintis sa isa.
But if you're Coach Jongay Chico, you're going to be upset dahil nandun si Mike Holper.
Yeah.
Alam mo, mainit na mainit to si Peter June Simon. You're playing zone, but you still have to make him put the ball on the floor.
Loose ball. Sunday Salvacion, inagawa ni Chico Lanete pero merong contact. Tatawagin siya na foul. The referee Montiel was right there in front of the action. Well, baka naman yung depensa ng Barangay Ginebra is playing the averages. Sabi siguro.
Magmimitis na yan.
Magmimitis siguro. Hindi na siguro papasok to. Pero hindi. Tuloy-tuloy. And there's a good tap from behind again by Peter June Simon. This guy has been doing the damage. Oy! Ayun! Si Mackie Escalona pa. Nakapalpal. Ikaw lang naman pala eh. Ito, umugong bigla ng napakalakas dito sa Boneta Astrodome on the shot block by Mackie Escalona, the littlest guy on the lineup of Barangay. Here comes Simon. Ayun na, nagmintis na tuloy.
Masyadong libre.
Oo, nung malibre siya, nagsigawan na yung mga taga Pure Foods. Pero hindi pumasok kung kailan madali sana. Follow up. Oh, back to the basket. Mike Holper. Sabi nga natin, agresibo. At hindi po niya